Welcome to SlideBazaar's PowerPoint for Pros. In this video, let's take a look at how you can create a simple SWOT analysis slide for your presentation. Before that, if you want to improve your PowerPoint workflow and create better presentations, check out SlideBazaar's free PowerPoint add-in. Get access to templates, themes, and AI-powered useful tools to create better presentations. Get it for free using the link in the description. Alright, let's get back to the video. Start off by inserting a shape. We'll choose a rectangle with diagonal corners rounded. Hold down Shift button and draw the shape to get a shape with equal sides. Then hold Ctrl and drag the shape to the right to create a duplicate. And then go to Shape Format, Rotate, and flip the second shape horizontally. Then select both the shapes, duplicate it by holding Ctrl and dragging it down, and then flip the third and fourth shapes vertically. Finally, select them all and group them by pressing Ctrl plus G. Now let's align these shapes properly on your slide. Go to Shape Format, Align, and then click on Align Center and Align Middle. Now let's add some color. Right-click a shape and click on Format Tools and change the colors. Do the same for all the shapes. Then select them all and set the line as no line. If needed, you can resize it by holding Shift and dragging the corner handle. Next, let's add a shadow and adjust the blur of the shadow. And now, let's add a text box. Adjust the font and increase its size and add the letters as shown. Let's complete the template by adding a rectangle with rounded corners in the middle and then rotate it. Change the colors, set the line as no line, and add a shadow and tweak it. You can add some text in the middle as well. Finally, complete the look by adding text boxes next to the diagram to add your content. And there you have it, a very simple SWOT analysis slide. Now if this feels like too much work for you and you want to make things even simpler, I've got your back. You can just visit SlideBazaar.com and search for SWOT templates to find many pre-built designs that you can start using right away. Simply download them, customize them, and make them your own. Do subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. That's all for now.